Social distancing during the COVID-19 crisis is sweeping the island, and it has resulted in bans on large gatherings and concerts. PBCJ has expanded its musical offerings to meet the need for members of the public with Sunday Live, which airs every Sunday at 1 p.m. The live show is a celebration of talented reggae artists live streamed from Montego Bay, St. James. The show, which is the brainchild of Lundy Murray, is uniting Jamaicans through music. More from Marlon Samuels.
The weekly lineup showcased live some of the biggest names in the reggae music industry.
Since inception, we've been streaming to over 3,000 viewers every week from all over the world because we've been primarily online. Now we've added PBCJ to the mix, and now we're streaming on national television live.
In person-to-person attendance at the live show is nil, yet thousands are able to enjoy the sweet sounds of reggae music and rich vocals thanks to the marvels of streaming technology.
Anyway, they just put up your hand like this. Cause I'm more strength, where I say. More strength. Perseverance. Perseverance for Jamaica. More strength. Took me from my roots. Tried to destroy my stem. They try to cut down my branches. Said they want to see my life in. But my strength increased. The more that they multiply, the trunk and the roots hold firm to the ground. I am ebony, ebony is strong, ebony survives, ebony is free. I am ebony, ebony is strong, ebony survives, ebony is free.
The outstanding musical performances are woven with short interviews.
As it relates to my music, I would say it's like our rude girl roots, because again, that influence from country, meet town, you know, it's not just strictly roots and it can't be strictly street. So it's our rude girl roots vibes where come forth for not only educate but entertain. So I really want to bridge that gap between like just the regular roots that you might listen to when your uncle play music and bring it now to somewhere somebody in our classroom can listen to and all our vibes same time.
The performance of the reggae greats is not solely for entertainment.
Make way for the rebel empress, yo.
It's a means of highlighting the importance and sacrifices of Jamaica's frontline healthcare workers.
Big cat top prancer, circle your head like a salsa, circle your head ballet dancer, paramedic to the chancellor, true to the lioness order, salute to the kings and the fathers, the one them real protect them dream cause them know so the queen of the answers. The rebel them advocate, rebel music are the side effect, yeah, and revolution are the final step, so black woman roll up your head and guide your life, make way for the rebel empress.
Now, more than ever, we support the call to stay safe at home while we provide you with authentic Jamaican music. We also invite you to join us in spreading love during these unprecedented times. Sunday Live has pledged to raise $1,000 to purchase and donate protective masks to the St. James Infirmary. As the cases increase, we want to do as little or as much as we can to protect those on the front line. And we invite you to join us by visiting gofundme.com/SundayLiveJA.
The musical celebration can be enjoyed by all here on PBCJ every Sunday at 1. The show can also be seen on PBCJ's YouTube and Facebook pages.
I know we have a lot of persons that may have been tuning in week after week, and they too might be interested in showcasing their musical skill sets on our platform. How is it that they can get in contact with the production team?
Well, the best way to reach out through our Instagram page, which is SundayLiveJA, or send an email to sundayliveja@gmail.com if you're interested in being on the show. We're trying to our best as possible to maintain that limit that Mr. Holness set in place. So we can't have a lot of people here. We don't have a lot of people here and all of that stuff. But if you're interested in being on the show, please shoot us an email.
You said don't forget your culture, don't. All the battle gonna be hot, say yes, don't. I me say you not go get no somebody.
For the news on PBCJ, I'm Marlon Samuels.
Oh yeah. Them not TJ 21,000 miles.